going on, Cronus Zen users? This is the update you guys have all been waiting for. This is a brand new COD franchise, 32-bit, guaranteed to work. It's been tested now for over 24 hours. No banning. Even if in fact you had a banned account and you use this for after some time, your account, from my understanding, will get unbanned. However, this is a brand new update. You will need to update your Cronus Zen to the new firmware and also use the new scripts that are provided. If you're using anything prior to April, it could cause some problems for you. However, there is a new update right now with the Cronus Zen that will prevent you from being detected or getting banned playing Call of Duty using the Cronus Zen. So what's going on right now is, it seems some users have been running into reported trouble with the latest game patches. Specifically, they've encountered pesky errors that have resulted in temporary account blocks using the Zen within the last 24 hours. So to avoid doing this, they highly recommend you using the new scripts that have been provided. You can find they have been updated within the Zen Studio within the past 24 hours. Actually, this was updated just as of Monday. And if you guys are familiar with my Cronus Zen port group, Facebook group, you guys know that I did make a post, I think that was maybe Sunday or Monday, alerting you guys to all of this, that there was a fix. They were working on it. It hasn't been released yet. So I can confirm that there's been multiple gameplays where this has been tested for over 24 hours on both Xbox and PlayStation. So you guys should be fine playing Call of Duty now Season 2 and also Season 3 with the new scripts. However, as of right now, none of the GPC scripts, as far as I know, can be confirmed using this. But if you are using the programmer scripts that are built in with the Zen Studio, you can go ahead and download those and be fine. Now over here on my left, you can see these are the scripts that are verified to work issue free. These are all the scripts that are guaranteed to work right now. COD Warzone 2.0 Season 2 32-bit. This one here. So if you see any of the scripts over here on the left side of my screen, you are fine to pretty much go ahead and gameplay. Now we'll keep you guys updated as far as some additional information, but I know that there have been a lot of people wondering, is the Cronus Zen going to become a brick? Is it going to become obsolete? And that is pretty much far from the truth. It was just something that needed to be updated. And so it has been taken care of. As far as I know, there hasn't been any other reported issues with any other games. In fact, maybe this has something to do with the whole Microsoft acquisition of Activision. I mean, who knows? Maybe they're trying to crack down on some things. But as for right now, you guys are safe. You guys can go back doing your gameplay on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. There won't be any issues. Again, this has been thoroughly tested, has been updated. Again, make sure you update your firmware. Go in, set up your new scripts, and you will be fine. Also, definitely want to remind everybody that the Cronus Zen team is not affiliated or any shape, way, or form with the Activision team at all. They're their own separate entities and things of that nature. And so, you know, but also too, I want to let you guys know that you can use the Cronus Zen for other than auto aiming and, you know, shooting and things of that nature. You know, I've done a number of reviews on it with the Zen Studio, as far as using the max recorder, you know, easy fatalities, things like that. So it's an overall good, you know, device. You know, I primarily use it for arcade modding and emulation, so I can swap out controllers. But they always have your back. There's always a team. Now, also another thing I definitely want to mention is that that banning issue with the Cronus Zen, it wasn't specifically for the Cronus Zen. That affected all gaming adapters, whether they be the Cronus Max, the Titan 2, the Brooks device, or any other device out there that I may not be aware of. All of them were affected, but as you can see, the Cronus Zen team is the first one, or the only one as of right now, that has released an update. You guys will be fine, you know, for your gaming. But if you have any questions or concerns, make sure you join my official Facebook group, which is the Cronus Zen support group. If there's any hate or anybody having any problems or quickly removed or banned, we take care of that pretty efficiently. But make sure you guys leave a comment or a like down below if you have any further questions. I will be keeping you guys updated of the matter. Again, I knew about this several days ago, and so I know a lot of people now are just now finding out about it. But like and subscribe. I hope to keep you guys soon and keep you guys updated if there's anything that happens to pop up. But get back to gaming. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out. Bye-bye.